Stop. Hi everyone, this is Diane Marie. We are here. We just got our package in from Candle Science, and I ordered some liquid dye. So we're gonna unmold this one. This is blue liquid dye. So let's just dig in here and see what we have. Okay. All right. Here's another one. This one is purple. These dyes are for candles, so I needed some dye for my candles. Let's dig into the next one, especially my gel candles. Okay, these are a liquid dye. This is hunter green. Keep digging for treasures in this massive amount of styrofoam here. Alright, this is orange. Alright. Oh, look. I got a free fragrance oil. It's Fraser Fur. Ooh. Let's keep digging. Okay. Here's the liquid red dye. Here's the yellow dye, and these are 1 ounce. I think that's it, guys. So let me move this out of the way. So what we have here are our colors. These are our rainbow colors. So the reason why I got these, I wanted the whole entire set, but I couldn't afford it, so I had to work with what my money can buy me right now. So we're going to take these colors. These are the prime colors here. So we have red, we have orange, we have yellow, we have blue, and we have purple, and we have hunter green. So I think green can go somewhere in between here or here. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to try to make new colors out of these colors. We're going to use these colors, but we're going to try to make new colors using these dyes. And for a lighter color, you use 3 drops. For a darker color, you use 6 drops. So you can make that, you know, if you want that vibrant pop deal with your candles, you want to use 6 drops, and that will whatchamacallit, we will demonstrate all of this when we get back into candle making. And this this is our 1 ounce Fraser Fur. We're going to use this probably in soaps, and I can't smell it right now because I'm using my phone to holding my phone to record this. So I ask you to like and subscribe. Go to Candle Science. They are the best company that, you know, they have the best thing. Go and search their website, which is candlescience.com, and check out their wax, check out their liquid candle dyes, their fragrance oil. They have the great supply list that I've bought, the best prices. I've bought from them in the past, and I'm just starting now getting back to get them back into the rotation. My thing is, I don't have a preference for suppliers. I found what is cheap, what's better, the quality, the information that they give. That's what I go by. You know, they give me information that what makes me purchase the thing, because I have questions that I'm looking for and they have the answer, and that's the reason why these works best in the soy wax candle, but they also work in gel candles as well. That's the reason why I got it, because I have some gel wax that I need coloring, because the little chips, I found out the little chips that go into the soy wax does not adhere, does not melt like the dye. It takes time to melt in the soy candles, but in the gel candle, you won't have that time. You have to work really quickly, because the gel wax kind of solidify really quickly, so you have to melt at a high temperature and pour at a high pretty much temperature. But you have to just continue to work with these gel candles. And like I said, I'm learning to, because I used to work with gel candles in the past, and I think it was like 1998, and the company that I was using went out of business, so I stopped really making candles, and then I kind of picked it back up, making candles in 2023, 2020, right about in 2019. I started back making candles, but I went to soy, and then now I'm back into my gel candles, which so we can make some new candles. So go to Candle Science and like and subscribe to their channel. Also like and subscribe to my channel at EDMSOAPS.com. I am on YouTube. I am on EDM Soaps. I'm on Facebook. That's my website. Visit the website at www.edmsoaps.com. Just go to the website, visit. I do have some soy candles out there that y'all can purchase. But also, like I said, Candle Science I'm glad that I purchased this, because I've looked at some of other suppliers, not complaining suppliers, just stating that they gave me more detail in the answers, that the questions that I had, they gave me answers to what I was looking for in the product that I was looking for. Not necessarily, and they had cheaper prices. The other candles that the suppliers that I was looking at, this was at a reasonable price, but like I said, I only could afford what my money could allow me to get. So this is what we're going to do, some testing, and I'm going to change these tops to the dropper thing. See, I'm glad that I like this, because some of the I do have some liquid dyes, but they don't have the little dropper thing. So this is what I like about this. And like I said, it's 1 ounce. And like I said, they give you like a color ratio. You got the light, you got the dark here. This is orange. You got the light orange, darker orange, and you got the light yellow. You get 3 drops for the light, 6 drops for the darker. And that was the information that I was doing, how to use, how to generate a darker color if that's what I'm looking for, or a lighter color. So that's what I'm looking for. See, 3 to 6, 3 to 6. And I appreciate them. And like I said, even on their fragrance oil, between like Nature's Garden and these people here and Brambleberry, I like that they give me, they tell me what this works good in soap and candles. It also works in lotions, bath bombs. It also tells me the information that I look for, because I try to buy what works. If this works in soaps, bath bombs, candles, lotions, that's what I get. I like multiple things that this one particular, if I buy like a 16, I can use it over and over for those things that I am creating. And that's what I like about this. Like I said, this is good for only in candles, and that's good. I do have some for, my gel wax. I also can use this in soy wax, That's what I like. I need to buy supplies that work in multiple things that I like, that works well, for my taste. Like I said, I do multiple things, and I like that they offer this. Like I said, because some of the places that I looked, and I won't name names, that it only works with soy, and it doesn't work with it only works with pillar dyes. It only works with, and you have to buy multiple things to um for each. You have to buy multiple things for each thing. Like this works with, and I'm just using these as an example. This works with soy wax. This one works with gel wax. This one works with pillars. This one works with wax melts. And that's what I'm talking about. I don't like that I have to buy 4 different things for, it's the same color or the same fragrance, or, a different fragrance or whatever that works with the different products that I create. So I thank Candle Science for, like I said, I was looking, this works with gel and it works with soy, and I like that. That's what I like. It works with tea light. It works with the pillar candles. I like that. That's what I like. I don't want to have to buy individuals that work with tea light, soy, gel. I don't like that. I want to work with what I work. And just the same thing with this fragrance. This fragrance here is good for candles. It's good for soaps, lotions, bath bombs, shower steamers. It works with shampoos and lotions. That's what I like, that I can use these in multiple things. So I have certain suppliers that when I go to, I look to make sure that it can do multiple things, not just one, but multiple things. And I appreciate Candle Science for their dedication in their products and being nice when I have questions and they give me answers, and even stuff that's discontinued that I've bought in the past, they can go back and give me something on it, or they'll say, yeah, here's the thing, but it's discontinued, so here's the information. So I appreciate that. And y'all, please go and visit Candle Science. They're a great company for your small business that you're working, and I appreciate them. I just got my package today. Their timely manner in ordering didn't take long, and I appreciate you guys. I thank you, Candle Science, and I will continue to purchase from you guys. I ordered some glass jars, and we will when I do my candles, we will do those candles on thing using these candles, because right now I'm going to take this yellow dye, and I do have some black that we're going to do some beehive candles with these, some yellow jacket candles, and some honeybee candles. And we're going to take these dyes and we're going to use them. And like I said, we're going to do the light, we're going to do the dark, we're going to, see how it works. And it's something neat to me, but, we're going to keep going. And then I will purchase the rest of these colors that they have. They have some that was like a lavender color. They have like a magenta color, which like I said, I wanted to get all of them, but I didn't, because like I said, my money couldn't get everything, and I needed these on the fly because, like I said, I'm doing a show and I'm trying to get that taken care of. So I needed these. Thank you, Candle Science. Thank you for your product, your support, your love, and all of your videos. Thank you. Continue to do those, and I will see you guys on the flip side. Have a great and blessed day.